Wednesday, October 26th at 10:38 p.m. It was cloudy all night. I didn't see any guys, and I just looked out the window, and they're here. So I got to go outside and go say what's up. So let me pause this for a second, and then I'm gonna be back with the UFOs. It's crazy, crazy every night when the clouds are good. All right, I'll be back. Okay, so I'm outside now. And let's see what we can get. I'm gonna zoom in. There's one guy right here. See him going in and out. He's kind of behind the trees. And then there's another one below him. And he's better right there, huh? Look at him moving all over the place. He's like, I bet you that's a government. He's like right above the trees, this guy. And let's see if there's... I see other guys, but they're not coming in. I want to look at this guy for a second. Look at him moving all over. I'm going to pause and go closer. I'm getting closer to him. Okay, I'm a little closer. It took a few steps. He's like at the end of the driveway. Look, damn, he's all over the place. As usual, through the naked eye, he's not even moving. I can't even keep him on camera. That's not me moving. Okay, let me go see. There's other guys out here. We'll come back to him. Okay, now check this. This is my main man. Look how big he is. He's like big and low. Damn. I'm just like staring. That's me walking closer to him. I'm gonna go in the backyard. He's like right out back. But look at him. Look at that. What the heck could this be? Pause. Okay, here's the government. See him blinking? That's the government. You see how different he looks? Look at that perfect circle. That's the strobe lights they have to have. Hold on, I'm gonna get closer. Okay, now I'm back to my main man. Whew. Did you see the government? How it was strobing like that? He's all the way over there now. And this is my man Mohican. Look how bright he is. And he's not moving all over the place like the other ones. Isn't it cool though? I wonder what it is. I just want to talk to them. And this guy's just like over the trees. I moved. That's me moving. Can't get him though. Damn it. I see him though. Here comes this guy. Right over the trees. See him down there? There he is. I think that's the guy from that I was just videoing earlier up front. He's like right over the trees, this guy. Now I'm coming back over to my main man, Mohican. That's what I call him, Mohican. So it was cloudy all night tonight. And I guess it's still cloudy as shit out. But these guys come underneath the clouds when it's got to be like really low clouds for these guys not to be showing up. That's what they are right now. So here's Mohican. And here's a guy that's over the trees. God, it's so weird. Where'd he go? We saw him for a second, right? There he is. Damn, can't get him good enough. Let me pause. Look at Mohican. Now he's gone into invisible mode and he just came out of it. I don't want to bore you guys by looking at him all night, but you see his shape? And there's something blinking right around it. Right around him. Oops, where'd he go? There he is. Sorry. So, that's it. Wednesday, October 26th, like around 10:45. That's the action that's happening tonight. And here comes government coming in over the lake. You see him flashing? That would be not a UFO. See how low he is? See the horizon behind us? See, that's what I'm talking about with the clouds. The clouds are like super low and you can't see stars. Well, you can if you like really look, but... So anyways, this is the government coming in over the lake as usual. And see how he's right below Mohican. Mohican doesn't even give a shit, does he? I mean, this guy's pretty close to him. Look how close he's getting. That's the government. I don't have any problem with government. I wish they would just communicate and let me know what they know. Because I know they know a shitload more than I do off my little pictures. Look at Mohican. He's not even going into invisible mode. I almost want to go to the store and see if he follows me, but nah. The government's coming right up on my left. He's not even changing. Okay, that's good for the night. Okay, I'll see you later, Mohican. I'll see you later, government. You hear that up there? Not the